Welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie, and you're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie. I have an unboxing today, and it's actually in a box. I've been really into the Rhinestone diamond paintings lately, and this company I have ordered from before. They are on AliExpress. The company is Leo Yua official store, and they sell their diamond paintings either in square, pebble round, or magic rounds. Magic rounds are just regular rounds. Pebble rounds are rhinestone, and then square is square. So at first, when I first started ordering from them, I was confused, and I thought, magic rounds, those must be rhinestones. Nope. So I inadvertently had ordered a round when I wanted a rhinestone. So this is what this painting looks like. I named it Blue House Northern Lights Scene. And when I'm choosing a diamond painting that's going to be all rhinestone, I try to make sure I pick one that's not going to have a lot of detail that will not translate well with rhinestones, or I get it large enough so that the detail that is in it will appear. Alright, well, I don't need to pull the whole thing off, but the box is bubble wrapped, and opening is available for me to get into. Okay. Alright, they did fold it outwards, which I do like. Anything else in the box? Nope. Okay, so it's in a bag. Now it's not in a bag. Alright, let's pull the drills out. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that blue. We're going to look at the canvas first, though. Actually, I'd like to look at the toolkit. So this is fairly basic. It's a white tray with 2 pieces of wax, a drill pen with a 6-placer, and a squishy on the end. Now we're going to look at this. Oh, I love the feel of this. The thing about this company is this, you might think, oh, that's poured glue. It's not. This is a double-sided sticker. They use this. This is the only time, well, this is the place that I know of that I can actually remember who uses a double-sided adhesive that's clear. And you can tell because this adhesive, the way it's laid, it feels different. It looks different, and you'll see here. Along the edges, you can see the sticker goes exactly where the adhesive is. And that's one way, if you see that, it's a good indication that this is a double-sided sticker. Just like that big mosaic sticker that I got in my Easy Whim, my box that I opened recently. Here, I'll link the video up right there in the eye. I got this really big sticker, and it had adhesive from corner to corner. It was actually the same kind of stuff. It's this type of adhesive. So, and yes, you're getting your room back. So that's Tesslynn saying she's getting her room back. All right, so I ordered a 40 by 50. And honestly, this doesn't look like a 40 by 50. There is a lot of confetti here. You can't see the house very well. So I'm not sure that I picked a good image for rhinestone, or a good image for this size, period. So I ordered 40 by 50, and let's see what it is, because it just doesn't seem like it's a 40 by 50. It may be, but maybe I should have gotten it bigger. Well, that is 50. And that's exactly 40. So it's a 40 by 50. But now I'm thinking because of all the detail in this image, I probably should have got a bigger image. But let's look at this drill field. I mean, it looks really good. All the symbols seem to be very clear. Yeah, that is a really clear canvas. Those symbols, there's no doubt on any of them as to what they are. I do recognize a lot of these symbols as to the ones that because I'm working on one of theirs right now. But this has 17 colors. The key is really big. Easy to read the key. The numbers are kind of small, but at least the key is big. And as you can see, there aren't very many rhinestone colors. I don't know if that's because they have limited colors, but my last one only has 18 colors as well, so it's not huge. I mean, it doesn't have a huge variance in colors, but let me show you this. The thing about these is, even though it is a double-sided adhesive, I'm not sure if this is going to cause bubbles, how it's bubbled up on the top like this. The back is flat, so it doesn't look like there's puckers. Let's pull this cover back, and it'll make it get these air bubbles out that are in between the covering and the canvas. Yeah, this is, the cover goes exactly to the edge. And this is a really thick covering, so from what I'm told, the thicker the covering paper, the better the quality, but I don't know if that's true or not. I really don't. So, it didn't leave any bubbles, and I've never had bubbles from this type of adhesive from this company, since they're basically the only place that I've seen this type of cover. And the sticky is really good. Like I said, I'm working on one of theirs right now, and as soon as I'm done with it, you'll get to see it. But it's a work in progress when I do have time to diamond paint. But yeah, we can get so this, it didn't leave any bubbles in the glue, and that's one thing that's different I've noticed about this type of covering, is it doesn't, you didn't see that it wasn't really rolled up tight, but that might be because that's how they put it in the box. It was loosely rolled around the drills. So that might be why we don't have that issue like we do with the paper covers. But if I'm going to have a double-sided adhesive on my canvas, this is what I prefer, because this is second best to me to poured glue. Poured glue is the best to get, and then this would be the second. So this one is one that I really couldn't say how well it's going to turn out until it's done, because it is riddled with confetti. As you can see how the colors change all over the place. I'll be interested to see how well the house turns out, because it is, you know, pretty small in there. But, you know, you never know until you're done. But the image, it shows it's really a dark blue. I'm going to just pull it up here again. It shows it's a really dark blue image with a beautiful sky and a lake with the reflection of the house on the lake. So, yeah, I'll just have to wait to see. I don't know that I'll do this one next, but I've done actually a couple rhinestones in a row now. So we will see what I'm in the mood to do after I'm done with that one, because it's a 40 by 50 as well. All right, let me put this down, and let's look at these drills. I mean, I love the colors already, but it never seems like there's enough to complete something 40 by 50. I mean, on the other one that I'm doing right now so far, I have run out a couple of colors, but I think it might be my own fault because my granddaughter spilled my tower that I had, and I have all these that I recovered, but they need to be separated, and I really don't want to, because the thing with these colors, well, I'll show you here, some of them are very close in color. Well, there's a lot of this color. That's 72.5 grams of rhinestones. But look how close in color these are. I mean, you can obviously, when they're in the bag, see the difference. Kind of. But it's hard. But having just two drills right next to each other, it's going to be hard to pick them out as to which color is which. Maybe I can steal some from this canvas because it was like one of these colors or something that I ran out of. And here's another one. It's like a green, but look how, I mean, they're really similar. I can honestly see the difference, obviously see the difference, but like I said, and here is a blue, and there were several blues in that other one too, so, and here's another one. Here's another green. So this image seems to be, well, this is kind of a bluish green, but it does look very blue in the picture, but a lot of these seem to be a green tint. But look how similar these colors, all these colors are here. I'm going to zoom in so I don't have to reach up to the camera to show you. There we go. So look at that. Up close, you can tell they're different, but from far away, you know, or holding one at a time, they are not easy to tell. And here's another one. There's another blue, which, you know, that's just going to be my big headache. Okay, so here's another thing. Here's some silver. Not a lot of this color. And then this is kind of like a topaz, yellow, gold, copper kind of color. And then here's a darker, like smoke topaz, or brown, or burgundy. I don't know. It looks like smoke to me. So there's that. And here's more blue. It's another one that just looks like everything. I mean, it looks just like 775. I mean, for all I know, it could be. Look at these. See if you can see a difference in the color on those, because those look exactly the same to me. So, yeah, that's why it's so hard for me to separate these colors. This is exactly what I was talking about. So, I'll put these aside. And here we have another green that's actually different. It looks different. And then here's another green, which looks similar to this one. But I can actually see the difference for sure. And then another blue, which is similar to this one. But it's amazing what it looks like when it's done, because you'll say, those don't look like any different. But the slight variance in the color, if there really is a variance, will show in the final result of the finished diamond painting. But yeah, maybe I'm going colorblind, but they don't look much different to me. Let's see, we've got another like sapphire blue. That one's definitely different. It's really hard to see these colors, I know. And here's like just a tiny bit of like a yellowish green. And then we have another color that looks similar to that. and then here's another blue that looks like that. So yeah, this is a extremely blue or green. There are not very many colors outside of the green and blue spectrum here. You can see the little bit of this color right there, and then these smoke colors. So I'm hoping it turns out well. This one doesn't even have any black, which my other one has black in it. So it's not 100% rhinestone, but this one is completely rhinestone, nothing but rhinestones. So I look forward to doing it. I don't know, for some reason lately I've been just on this rhinestone kick and been wanting to do rhinestones. So I'm glad I have them to do. But this, let's see, this cost $20.68 for 40 by 50. And I ordered it July 13th. They shipped it a week later, so on July 20th. And I received it August 1st, yesterday. So it only took 19 days total, which shipping itself only took 12 days because it took a week for them to just ship it out. And that's about it. I will leave a link down below to this diamond painting for their shop on AliExpress. And if you see an image that you want and you want to choose it as a rhinestone, make sure you choose Pebble Round, and that you're picking something that doesn't have a ton of colors and something that doesn't have a ton of confetti or detail that would get lost or washed out with rhinestones. Those are my recommendations as far as choosing an image to have done in rhinestone. So that would be it for this diamond painting, guys. Let me know what you think. Have you ordered from this shop on AliExpress before? Let me know down below in the comments section, and I look forward to reading what you have to say. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. If you could hit me that thumbs up, hit that thumbs up on your way down to the comment section, I'd appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to have more people in my diamond painting family. And after you hit subscribe, if you hit the bell, you will be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. So take care, everyone. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care. Bye.